Good morning. This is an update on the hydroponics beans. These are about a month and a half old. They were started on December 15th. As you can see, the roots are good. The roots are doing well. And I put the nutrient solution in there, and with the small amount that I put in, the 1/8 of a teaspoon, the roots continue to grow. So I think that's probably a good sign. However, if you look up here, we have nutrient deficiencies starting. And this is likely a nitrogen deficiency. Let me get back out so you can actually see it. The leaf is turning yellow in between the veins. The new leaves are not coming out as dark as they normally would. But these older leaves are getting yellowing between the veins. Turn that a little bit so that you can see that. Okay, this is intraveinal chlorosis, is what that was referred to, and it is on the older leaves. So chances are good that this is a nitrogen deficiency. So I put some nitrogen in there the other day. I also just put in some additional nutrients. Again, you can see the pronounced intraveinal chlorosis with the veins staying green and the rest of the leaf turning yellow on the older leaves. If this was on the newer leaves, it would be different nutrients. So we've got probably a nitrogen deficiency here, but I've put some nitrogen in, as I said, and I'll keep an eye on that. I also put in today a 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar to help maintain the acid balance in these. If you look, it's pretty close. I don't know if you can see it. You see how the roots are, they're white down here, and they're starting to brown and turn yellow up above the water level. They're still alive, but this one, I'm not sure why the difference, this one is maintaining the white even above the water level. So that's what we're looking for, that's what we want. So those are the two best. Those are my two recent tests. Hold on just a moment and I'll get to the others. Can't see it very clearly, but these are tests 8 and 9. And I'm going to see if this, no, it doesn't really. But you can see that there is some, this leaf is really sagging and drooping badly. This one has been drooping for a while. These are the ones that got the full teaspoon of egg and eggshell and the full teaspoon of ash. And their roots stopped growing as soon as I put the nutrients in. So the root mass that they have now is the root mass that they had when we started. Now, if you look at this one, you can see that the color is still good on this particular root. It's not blackened like these. So again, they were treated the same. There shouldn't be a lot of differences. But on this one is dying. And I think there are a number of reasons for that. But the primary reason, I think, is because there is something in the ash that is blocking the uptake of the nutrients. So those are the earliest two. Those were started, I believe, on December 7th and December 12th. This one was started on December 7th. I remember that. And this is the level that I decided to maintain the water at. But the roots above the water level are all dark and brown. Roots below the water level are all dark and brown too, but at least they look healthy. There is our, our newest tests, started mid-December. Those they're still looking good, but no blossoms yet, which is understandable considering their age. You can see how tall and spindly they're getting. That is primarily because they are sitting on the windowsill and they're not getting enough light. I will talk with you later.